Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best eyebrow tattoo pen is probably one of the most sought-after beauty tools for anyone looking to achieve perfectly defined and natural-looking eyebrows with minimal effort, offering a semi-permanent solution that saves time and enhances facial features, making it an indispensable addition to any makeup routine for a consistently polished appearance. Number 5. iMethod Microblading Eyebrow Pen, Light Brown. Achieve perfectly natural, hair-like eyebrows with our innovative microblading pen. Its dual-ended design makes shaping and filling incredibly easy. One end features a unique 4-fork tip for realistic strokes, while the other has a precise brush tip for seamless blending. Get the best of both worlds for flawless brows. Enjoy beautifully defined brows that last from morning to night. This formula is designed for smudge-proof, all-day wear without fading. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, creating stunning brows is simple. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip for precise application every time. This light brown shade is perfect for a subtle, natural look. It complements a variety of hair colors, enhancing your features beautifully. What we like? This product offers a unique 2-in-1 design with both a fork tip and a brush tip. It's perfect for creating natural, hair-like brows that last all day. If you're looking for a convenient way to achieve effortless, natural-looking brows that stay put, this is the one for you. What people say. The pen is designed with a fork-like tip that mimics the look of real eyebrow hairs, allowing for precise and natural-looking application. It delivers a consistent flow of ink, preventing smudging and ensuring a long-lasting finish throughout the day. The formula is waterproof and sweat-proof, making it ideal for active individuals or humid climates. Number 4. iMethod Microblading Eyebrow Pencil. Achieve perfectly natural-looking eyebrows with ease. This innovative tool is designed to mimic real hair strokes for a flawless finish. It features a unique dual-ended design for ultimate versatility. One end offers a precise microfork tip, while the other has a handy brush. The 3-prong microfork tip applicator allows for precise application. It helps you create fine, hair-like strokes that blend seamlessly. Enjoy beautiful brows that last all day long. Its long-lasting formula ensures your look stays put without smudging or fading. Use the precise brush tip to shape and blend your brows. This ensures a polished and defined appearance from morning to night. The rich dark brown shade complements many hair colors. It provides a natural depth and definition to your eyebrows. What we like? Featuring a 3-prong microfork tip applicator, this offers incredibly natural-looking results. Its waterproof formula ensures your brows stay flawless throughout the day. If you desire precise, natural-looking brows that can withstand moisture and last, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The ease of application and natural effect of the 3-brush end, and the fine brush at the other end for stroking single hairs to fill in for the missing ones was great. The light brown is a perfect match and is the easiest and most natural-looking eyebrow solution I could ever have imagined. The color has great staying power. I'm very active and work outside and work out at the gym and sweat a lot and randomly wipe my brow with a bandana throughout the day. The color stays put until I wash it off intentionally with my regular facial cleansing routine or in the shower. Number 3. LAVONE Waterproof Eyebrow and Eyeliner Makeup Kit. Introducing the LAVONE Makeup Kit, your all-in-one solution for perfect brows and eyes. Achieve flawless definition with ease. Our kit features an innovative eyebrow stamp and pencil for quick, symmetrical brows. It's waterproof and smudge-proof, ensuring your look lasts all day. You'll also find a versatile brow pomade for custom shaping and filling. Get the precise look you desire, from natural to bold. Complete your eye makeup with the included eyeliner. It glides on smoothly for a clean, defined line every time. Achieve professional results with the dual-ended brush. It's perfect for blending and perfecting your brow and eyeliner application. This kit comes in a rich dark brown shade, ideal for enhancing your natural features. It provides a beautiful, natural-looking finish. What we like? This is more than just an eyebrow product, it's a complete makeup kit. It includes a waterproof brow pencil, eyeliner, and a dual-ended brush. If you're seeking an all-in-one solution for your brow and eye makeup needs, especially for long-lasting wear, this kit is ideal. What people say. It lasts all day without needing to retouch, at least in my experience. You only need the tiniest amount, it dries quickly, and it stays in place all day. It definitely sticks well to the skin. Easy to apply, color accurate, great eyebrow kit. The product is easy to apply and stays on well. When ready, it's easy to be removed without a great deal of effort. The amount of product provided is sufficient to last a few months if used carefully. Number 2. iMethod Magical 2-in-1 Eyebrow Pen. Achieve perfectly natural, hair-like brows with ease. Our innovative design makes defining your eyebrows simple and effective. Experience the magic of 2 tools in 1. The fork tip creates realistic strokes, while the brush tip ensures a flawless finish. Enjoy beautifully shaped eyebrows that last from morning to night. It stays put, so you don't have to worry about touch-ups. Specially crafted for women seeking effortless beauty. It's the perfect addition to your makeup routine for enhanced definition. Get the look of real eyebrow hairs with our unique fork tip applicator. It mimics natural growth for a truly authentic appearance. The included spoolie brush allows for seamless blending. Soften any harsh lines for a natural, polished look every time. What we like? Achieve hyper-realistic brows with its 4-fork tip for precise, hair-like detail. It also comes with a handy spoolie brush for blending. If you want the ultimate precision for creating individual hair strokes and a perfectly blended look, this is the tool you need. What people say. It has a microblading style tip that helps create fine, hair-like strokes, making the brows look more natural and defined. The 2-in-1 design also makes it easy to fill in sparse areas and shape the brows effortlessly. The microfork tip makes it so easy to create realistic, hair-like strokes, even in sparse areas. It doesn't look stamped on or overly harsh. The formula goes on smoothly and dries down without smudging. It stays put without fading or getting patchy. On one end, the brush helps groom and blend the brows, while on the other, the felt tip allows for fine strokes that perfectly mimic natural brow hairs. The result looks super natural, neither heavy nor artificial, which is ideal for everyday wear. Plus, the shade blends in beautifully and doesn't smudge easily throughout the day. Number 1. iMethod Eyebrow Pen, Magic 2-in-1. Achieve perfectly natural, hair-like brows with our innovative 2-in-1 eyebrow pen. It's designed to make your brow routine simple and effective. Featuring a unique 4-fork tip and a precise brush tip, this tool offers ultimate control. Create defined yet natural-looking brows with ease. Enjoy smudge-proof and long-lasting results that stay put throughout the day. Your brows will look flawless from morning to night. Get the look of microblading without the commitment. This pen mimics natural hair strokes for a beautifully sculpted appearance. Specifically crafted for women, it helps enhance your natural beauty. Achieve your desired brow look effortlessly. The rich dark brown shade complements a variety of hair colors. It provides a natural depth and definition to your brows. What we like? This magical 2-in-1 pen delivers natural, hair-like brows with a long-lasting effect. Its innovative design makes application simple and effective. If you're aiming for a microblading effect at home with minimal effort and impressive staying power, this pen is designed for you. What people say. From the very first use, I was impressed by how easy it is to create fine, natural-looking strokes that perfectly mimic real brow hairs. The multi-tip applicator really makes a difference, allowing you to fill in sparse areas with precision and achieve a professional finish effortlessly. It also lasts all day without smudging or fading, even in warm weather or after long hours of wear. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.